Here's a little unboxing of this CARNATION Econ CN5 bill counter right here. Solid cardboard box that it comes in. Got a lot going on in here. Got a little brush. This looks like maybe some like maintenance cleaning materials. Looks like you got a storage bag of sorts right here, or a cover for it if you want to cover it up. Power cable. Another one here. Figure out how this all gets put together. What's this? Oh, this is a counterfeit pen detector. So you just run this pen across your bills. Tells you if they're real bills or not. Now we're getting to the main show right here. There's a look at it inside there. Let's get it out. All right. Let's get it out of the plastic. And there's a look at the bill counter machine. Let's show it to you from the back also. Power switch right there. Some different ports. It's quite heavy. It's got some real weight to it for sure.